I'm driving from the airport. I'm now arriving in Puerto Vallarta. Okay, so here's the traffic. It's about 5 o'clock, so we're in traffic. You can tell because we've got the cobblestone streets. And we've got the cobblestone streets of El Centro. And 1 block away from us is the Malecón. These are all little shopping malls, little... There's the foyer of the Hotel Rio to the street. So here's a view of the inner courtyard of the Hotel Rio. And the pool is pretty big for an indoor pool. And at this end, it's 4 feet high, so you can get a nice cool off. And right beside the pool is a restaurant. It is not part of the hotel, but you can charge things to your room or to your card. And it's a high-end bistro, open air, to the street, a quieter street. And here's a view of the pool from the lounger side. And they've created this lovely little sanctuary in the city inside this little hotel. You've got some palm trees and some loungers, and you can move them around if it gets too sunny or if you want more sun. And my room is on the 2nd floor over facing this courtyard. So here's a view of the inner courtyard of Hotel Rio, and my room is on the 2nd floor here. And in the far distance you can see the steeple of the church just poking through. They have a lovely courtyard here inside. There's a lower floor, and then you've got a lovely view of the mountains in the background there. So 1 block away from my hotel on a side street, and just there in the far corner and the top is the church. I'm gonna go there next. It's a beautiful Saturday morning, and it's the Day of the Dead. There's gonna be big celebrations tonight. These side streets are really interesting. So this truck is delivering soft drinks to my favorite shop, Fruteria Bergan. And this little shop is just 2 blocks away from my hotel on a side street where my balcony is. This little shop has everything inside of it. I get my soft drinks and fruit. So you've got fresh pineapple, apples, bananas. It's amazing. And what you do is you take a basket and then you go put your items in the basket, what you want. So the queso, leche, pasteles,
Mira, ¿cuánto tiene la ciruela española?
En 120.
Ah.
Chips. Todo están aquí. Las frutas. Halloween. Fresh limes. Cucumbers. I bought my mandarins here. Hola. No problema. Fresh cilantro. A real local supermarket. And then you've got your chips and all kinds of soft drinks here. Also liquor. And your fresh bread every morning. Wow, this one looks good. We'll come back for this one. It's amazing. It's tucked away in little shops just down the road from the cafeteria. It's a modern dental clinic. X-ray machine. Guys, dentist is working on somebody. Amazing. So this is the side street on the way to Rio CUALE, the tourist area where you get souvenirs and anything you want. Look at all these different hats, anything you want, jewelry. And here are these textiles. I just love the colors here. Look at that. Just fabulous. Amazing. This looks like a leather store. Handmade sandals. More textiles. Table runners. This is where you shop if you want things for your second home in Mexico. Absolutely stunning. Puppetry. More jewelry. More leather purses. Now we're looking towards the ocean. And I swam in this river yesterday when it feeds into the ocean. It was quite pleasant, very clean. The surf in the ocean was too high to really enjoy swimming, so I joined the Mexican families and had a great picnic and relaxing, refreshing swim. Well, the square looks different in the daytime. This is where I was dancing the other night. And look at this, a great shot of the church in the background there. Heading there next. It's a beautiful, lovely city park, shade, where you can just rest, sit down. Whole different feel in the daytime. 30 degrees, but there's a nice breeze coming off the ocean. There's the ocean, just a block away, and there's the arches. And a Katrina is standing in the background there. It's too hot to walk on the Malecón right now. I'm sticking to the shaded streets. What a fabulous festival weekend. So here's the entranceway to the church.
Llenos de confianza, preferimos salir de este cuerpo.
Memory of all their loved ones who've passed on.
Por eso, procuramos
Very moving moment.
el destierro en la patria. De pie, por favor. Dichosos los que mueren en el Señor, que descansen ya de sus fatigas, pues sus obras los acompañan.
So during the daytime, you can get a sense of how high that Katrina is. It's monumental. It's amazing what displays they come up with. This is Club Vallarta, Volkswagen. And on the front it says, "Rust is not a crime." So apparently these are members of the Volkswagen Club that they're honoring their memory of. What a wonderful tradition. And here's the whole sidewalk lined with memorials just near the Central Park where I was dancing. And again, there's the Malecón right there. All the Katrinas looking at the ocean. It's too hot to walk out there in the sun right now. And this part of the Malecón, you can't swim in the beach. It's too rocky. You have to walk down to Los Muertos or else to Cinco de Diciembre. There's a green local bus. Easy to get local buses here. These rocking horses were on The Amazing Race, United States show. So here's an authentic meal that they are serving from this restaurant. I just got the name and oh my god, it looks amazing. They've got all these different salsas. They've got some kind of, it's all different taco fillings. That's carne, that's pork. They've got marlin.
¿El otro de qué?
Chorizo.
Chicharrón también.
Excuse, disculpe. Champignon. Oh man. Is there all that total for tortillas? For tacos? Rajas. This looks really good. Jalapeno and cheese. And then feta salad. Oh my god. Rajas. So here's a video of the restaurant, the lady who had all the amazing food at the racer. So I'm going to come back here tonight. Cool colors. It's just a street side taco place, very typical, 1 block away from the Malecón. ¿Cómo se llama?
José.
Jose. Me llamo Nancy.
¿Cómo?
Nancy.
Nancy. Nancy.
Fancy
Mucho
Nancy.
gusto.
Dancing Nancy. Baila Nancy. They really have done an amazing job of keeping the authentic charm of a village within a big city. And yet El Centro itself is not very big. And being able to walk along the ocean every day like this is pretty amazing.